Let's start with your impression of how His Excellency was received, both on Monday when he arrived at the airport, and then today, now that he's at his hometown.
Yeah, this historic reception by an organic crowd, very organic crowd. They were not mobilized, they were not induced, there was no financial mobilization. The crowd you saw on Monday and what you are saying here today are very organic crowd who came on their own volition. This is to express the kind of love and interest the Adamawa people have for Waziri Atiku Abubakar. We are so excited, we are so happy, but because charity begins at home, and he has demonstrated that he's loved by his people, and Nigerians in general will now come out and support him immensely for the presidency of this country. We have no alternative to Atiku as the next president of this country because he has all it takes to unify this country. The unity of this country is more important than any other thing in our national history, because without unity there can be no peace. Without peace there can be no development. Even before you talk about the economy, we need to unify this country, and he is the only one who has the father figure, who has the temerity and capacity to unite this country. And that is why we are calling on all Nigerians to support Atiku Abubakar for 2023 presidential election.
Finally, his contenders, those that are contending with him, the likes of Bola, you made a comparison with him while he was speaking. And then of course, Peter Obi. You think they will bring surprises?
You see, carrying out comparative analysis between Atiku and other presidential candidates, Atiku stands tallest because he's more experienced than Bola Tinubu, politically, economically, and otherwise. Atiku have invested, is a billionaire with enterprise, while Bola Tinubu is a billionaire without enterprise. He has is a good resource manager of man and resources. He is mentally and physically fit to run the affairs of this country. And apart from more experience, Atiku has more contact and connection. He knows this country in and out than any other candidate. And that is what we need now in our national history. Thank you.